What do we have here? Let's see. I think these are. Oh, yeah. It's my intakes for GTR. Got the filters. Oh, sweet. Even came with outerwears for the filters. T-bolt clamps. Intakes from Matt Performance.
What's in here?
Nothing. So.
Nothing in here either.
Nah.
Nothing is in here.
No, ain't nothing's in there. So these are these. Probably gonna powder coat these things black. So, yeah. Looks pretty good. Definitely heavy. So maybe let's get these things on. New install. Back at you with another video. A few things to do to the GTR today. As you can see, she all stopped. We got some intakes to put on from Matt Performance. In this box, let me get you a little bit of light. Oh yeah. All facts. And we got some puddle lights. Something real quick. So when you open the door, it says GTR on the ground. So these joints, real simple. You just take the factory light out. It comes with a little clip. Pop out this joint. Unplug it. Can't do it one hand, hold on. Unplug this. These lights out. Plugs right in. And it says GTR on the ground when you open the door. I'll cut the lights out so you can see better. Now when you open the door, quick, easy. In this box, yep. First performance upgrade right here. Intakes. We got T-bolt clamps. Came with some outerwears for it. couplers. Intakes from Map Performance. So let's get this stock stuff out of here. Like I said before, it's all stock, so you're gonna get these stock air boxes out of here and get these intakes on. Let me open the garage door, get a little bit more light in here. Yeah, that's better. Got a little bit more light. So like I told you before, it's all stock. So now we're gonna get these stock air boxes out and get these intakes put on. See what she performs like after that. Definitely want to get one of these, man. That thing is an eyesore. I don't understand why they put that in there, or they could at least put a cover on it, something. But definitely gonna order one of these here soon. It's not really a performance upgrade, but it's definitely something for a look. All right, let's start getting this thing apart. Man, that was already dirty. It's not horrible, but definitely dirty. So looks like we're gonna have to take the top charge pipe off to get to the clamps down there on both sides. We're gonna have to take this off to put the new intakes down in here. So let's get this out of the way so we can get this coupler off the turbo down there. Yeah, tell this ain't never been off. There we go. All right, got that out of the way. Unplug the math. The 8mm. Got one there and one down there. Now that the air box is out, just gotta get this coupler off, the factory coupler off. Yep, grab and pull. Then we're gonna put the couplers that came on with the intake and put the filters in up here. Get the tube on, button this side up. So now we got the factory coupler off. We're gonna put this coupler on that came in the kit. It's a 2.5 inch to 3 inch coupler with a T-bolt, real nice clamps that came in the kit. Alright, so we got this side of the intake on. Sits down in there. You got to take these plastic clips out of here. Try to pull the bumper back just a little so you can squeeze the filter down in there. I got all these clamps all tight. Now we gotta put the MAF sensor back in and hook the factory intake tube back up. And this side's all done. So let me get that going and then I'll move on over to the passenger side. Now we can move on to the passenger side. Get the factory air box out. Factory charge pipe off and out of the way so we can get that coupler off and then get all the new stuff installed. All right, well, that's all done. Kind of running out of light in here, but got the intakes on. Now just put this plastic trim piece back on and we're all done. It's only held on by these little push clips. All across the whole front here. That is it. All said and done. Not too bad of a job. And it doesn't look too bad. I thought I was gonna need to order like some powder coated ones. But it's not too bad. I think I'll just leave them for now. Maybe if I change my mind later. But that's all done. Running out of daylight. Because I got my car in the garage on backwards. So the light really doesn't shine in here very well. But that's going to do it for today's video. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that share button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to let you know when I drop new videos. Alright, deuces.